I know I'm late, but I think these are the best Jordan 1s of the year, period.
Hush now, child, and don't cry. Your folks might understand you by and by. Just move on up toward your destination, though you may find from time.
Welcome to Stay Coppin' Kicks. My name is That Dude Curtis. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me right now, and I appreciate that. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. And with that said, let's get into today's topic. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Craft Vibrations of Naija. And to me, this is the best Jordan 1 that was released this year. When I saw this shoe in the early images last year, this was a must-have. This video is a little bit late because I got sick over the summer and my voice was gone, so I couldn't really finish making it. I'm surprised more people weren't fiending for this shoe because it has all those things that y'all love. The off-white yellowish color, making it look like it has an aged effect, even though it really doesn't. It actually has pretty good quality leather, and it's a unique design. So I'm surprised that y'all were sleeping on it. But some of that might have had to do with the fact that it was a neighborhood exclusive, so it wasn't on the sneakers app. And I was lucky enough to get mine from Shoe Palace. Now, outside of the color of the shoe, the most interesting aspects of it are the look and feel of the swoosh and the collar. Now, the homie Sneaker Fetish did an awesome job with a YouTube short where he goes into detail about his beliefs of where the design concept comes from for the shoe, and I definitely agree with him, especially with the subtitle being Vibrations of Naija, and Naija being another word for Nigeria. It makes sense that the Irukare theory that he has put forth is probably accurate about what they were going for when they created this shoe. And if for some reason it's not, it should be. Because this shoe right here is beautiful, and in a lot of ways, it just has all those characteristics that y'all love so much from the brand collabs that normally come out. So again, it makes me surprised that more people aren't talking about this or have been showing up with it. But hey, that's okay. That just means, you know, when I pull it out, it's more of a standout item. So starting off, this shoe comes in a specialized Jordan 1 box. It looks like the normal Jordan 1 box, except for the color scheme. It has this pale vanilla color along with white, which really makes it stand out and pop. While I get rid of most of my boxes, I do try to hold on to the special boxes that certain sneakers have. And I love a special Jordan 1 box, especially when it just has a pop of color. The shoe also comes with a second set of laces, and I'll probably switch to these. If you haven't noticed something about me and the way I style my shoes, I tend to go with the non-traditional laces and whatnot. So if you see a shoe that comes with multiple laces and everybody's using one color, I usually switch to the other color. Or if it's a shoe that could potentially benefit from having additional different color laces, I was always that person who would get those different laces. So the standard lace is actually, it's a round lace. It's a flat round lace styling, and it has the same color as the outsole and the accents on the shoe. The second pair of laces are a more traditional sail colorway that, you know, will look good on the shoe as well. The shoe is a standard Jordan 1, so it has all the same type of Jordan 1 tech. So in terms of sizing, go true to size, and whatever you normally wear in a Jordan 1. I'm definitely loving the leather on these things. Like I said, it definitely seems like it's a higher quality than the standard Jordan 1 leather, with how smooth it is and just how it feels. I really like this colorway. I really like this shoe, and like I said, to me, this is the Jordan 1 of the year. There's been no better Jordan 1 release. This was the Jordan 1 to have this year, in my opinion. So what are your thoughts on the Jordan 1 Craft Vibrations of Naija? Sound off in the comments below. And with that said, stay coppin' kicks.